Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about sets. A set is an unordered collection of elements that do not contain any duplicates. So it means that it doesn't matter in which order we are entering the value in the set, it's going to maintain a specific order, and that is according to the sorted order of the elements. Second important thing is it do not contain any duplicate value. So even if you are adding a duplicate value, it's not going to add it there. Set elements can be of any data type like primitive, collection, S-objects, user-defined types, and built-in Apex types. Sets can contain collections that can be nested within one another. For example, we can have a set of lists. A set can contain up to 7 levels of nested collections inside it. That means overall 8 levels. To declare a set, use the set keyword followed by the data type name within these angular brackets. For example, we can declare set of string, set of list of integer like this. Set can be created with hard-coded values just like list, and here we won't specify the parentheses and we will use the curly braces to insert value in the set. Now point to note here is we can't access a set element at a specific index. We can only iterate over set elements. Now iterating or looping over elements is something we will discuss after discussing loop control structure. But we can't access set element with indexes just like we were doing with list. The iteration order of set elements is deterministic, so we can rely on the order being the same in each subsequent execution of the same code. Though the set doesn't store the value in the same order that we add, but it stores the value in a sorted fashion. And that sorted fashion is deterministic, so we can rely that it will give the same order of elements no matter how many times we execute the set in the same code. So it's pretty much of talk, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are on our developer console and let's create a program for sets. So guys, you can see here is our program. I have first created a string set with name strset, assigned it with the constructor, and then added values to the set over here. Here I have intentionally added same value twice, and you can see the order in which I have added the values. Then after I printed the value, definitely it's not going to print the duplicate values. Secondly, it is not going to follow the same order in which I have added it. It will print it in increasing order. Here you can see I have created a nested set as well, where this is a set of list of integers named as list set. And for adding list to this set, what I have done here is I created two lists over here with name list1 and list2 and values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 respectively. And then I created another list in which I have cloned the list1. So list1 and list3 would be having same values. I added these three lists to this list set and printed the list set as well. So let's see the output. So guys, you can clearly see the order in which the values are shown is not the order in which I have added there. And secondly, you can see the duplicate values are not present. Similarly, in list as well, there were two lists with the same values, and hence it's not adding the duplicate lists as well. So guys, that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.